very important and relevant question. I think we all face in our career at some point in time. Okay. Most important is you need to be able to try and convince your colleagues as to why, what you're saying is valid. But even after many attempts, you fail. And it's only because you fail because they are biased with their views. Then I suggest that you should leave the scene gracefully and keep your options open. There is no need for you to, feel miserable. And when you know the fact that what you're sharing has every valid facts, everything supporting, documents, everything that is there, which will definitely be of value to the organization, to the company, everything. But just because people want to be biased, then there is no point in staying in such a place. Please note that this universe is the opportunity. There is no dearth for opportunity in this universe. And the universe is the oyster. So as long as you have the guts, the will to do it, you can go and achieve whatever you want and conquer whatever you want in this universe. There is no stopping except you, your own self. So why should you be afraid? You don't have to, but you have to do this in a very nice manner. But you have to give a few shots at it before you say, okay, I quit. That is something you need to do. And second is, you shouldn't be in a place where you're not respected and appreciated for your work. See, many a time we are afraid because, I need this job. Why? Because I have, I have my bills to pay. I have my family to feed. All that. Or don't live and become miserable in a job where you don't get appreciated or, you're not being recognized for. That's not the end of the world. You are capable and you can find better positions than that if you can show value and worth of who you are. What is the value you bring to the table? You can go anywhere. And this is the reality. So this is something I've experienced even in my own career when I have felt, oh my God, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't want to lose this job because I have to support my family back in India. I've gone through this. I think when I narrated an earlier story about how when you ask, when your boss doesn't respect or you're an individual contributor and your team doesn't value it, how do you survive that situation? I survived because I know I'm a value to my customer. My clients saw value in me. Yeah, but I'm still influencing. I'm still giving value to everybody indirectly. If somebody is not going to accept, that's their problem. But when the right moment came, I got the best opportunity. So you know what? Know that the universe's way of working is not like you need to be remunerated right there. But its way of remunerating you is very different. So have that faith and conviction.